I'm Alfie Blake, I'm 14 and I'm from Gloucestershire in England. My time in Berlin has flown by. I live in a forest pretty much, but I have really enjoyed being in Berlin and in future I would come back.
Tomorrow we're catching the night train, which should be really exciting, to Brussels and then Eurostar to London, I think, and then yeah.
Okay.
I'm Minty, I'm 16 years old and I'm from Worthing. It's just so nice seeing like different cultures and like even just hearing like people talking their language is just really nice.